Welcome to the subject Mathematics Level 3. Number names 1 to 10. Hello kids, let's have a look at the spellings of 1 to 10. O-N-E 1. One pigeon. T-W-O 2. Two oranges. T-H-R-E-E 3. Three horses. F-O-U-R 4. Four men. F-I-V-E 5. Five flowers. S-I-X 6. Six owls. S-E-V-E-N 7. Seven rabbits. E-I-G-H-T 8. Eight bears. N-I-N-E 9. Nine fishes. T-E-N 10. 10 books. Take up the following activity. Match the number from Group A with the number's name in Group B. Click Submit to verify the answers. Numbers 51 to 100. Hello children. In the previous section we have learnt 1 to 50 numbers. Now we will learn numbers from 51 to 100. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Comparison. Keenly observe the circled images on the screen. You will know how to compare the same objects. Let us do the following activity. Observe the following images and select the same objects which are in the same line. Let us do the following activity. Observe the following numbers and select the same numbers. Number names 11 to 20. Hello kids. Let's have a look at the spellings of numbers from 11 to 20. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 11 keys. T TWELVE 12. 12 Christmas bulb ornaments. THIRTEEN 13. 13 cups. FOURTEEN 14. 14 ice creams. FIFTEEN 15. 15 smiley kids. SIXTEEN 16. 16 bananas. SEVENTEEN 17. 17 lollipops. EIGHTEEN 18. 18 apples. NINETEEN 19. 19 pencils. TWENTY 20. 20 erasers. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Numbers 101 to 200. Hello children. In the previous sections we have learned numbers from 1 to 100. Now we will learn numbers from 101 to 200. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Small to big. Keenly observe the images on the screen. You will know the differences between small and big. Let us do the following activity. Write the numbers in order from the smallest to the biggest in the given columns. Let us perform another activity. Count the objects and take the biggest number. Big to small. Keenly observe the images on the screen. You will know the differences between big and small. Let us do the following activity. Write the numbers in order from the biggest to the smallest in the given columns. Number names 21 to 30. Hello kids, let's have a look at the spellings of numbers from 21 to 30. Twentyone, 21. Twentytwo, 22. Twentythree, 23. Twentyfour, 24. Twentyfive, 25. Twentysix, 26. Twentyseven, 27. Twentyeight, 28. Twentynine, 29. Thirty, 30. Comparison of numbers. Now, let us learn about the comparison symbols and how to compare numbers. What are the comparison symbols? The basic comparison symbols are greater than, less than and equal to. One day, Raju and Kiran thought to catch the fishes. They both went to a river. Raju took fishing pole and Kiran took fishing net.
Hey Kiran, how many fish did you catch? I caught 5 fish. What about you, Raju? I caught only 2 fish. The number of fish I caught is bigger than the number you caught. Bigger? What is meant by bigger number? Bigger means which are more in number. Your number of fish is 2 and my number of fish is 5. So 5 is greater than 2. The greater than symbol is, and it always points to the greater number. Then, what is meant by smaller number? Smaller means which are less in number. You caught only 2 fish, so 2 is less than 5. The less than symbol is, and it always points to the smaller number.
Comparison of numbers equal to. When the two numbers are same or the two quantities are same, the sign for equal to is. Let us do a simple activity to compare the 3-digit numbers. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective blanks. Click Submit to verify the answers. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. Now, let us learn about cardinal and ordinal numbers.
What are cardinal numbers?
The numbers that express quantity are called cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are cardinal numbers. They are also written as ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, etc.
What are ordinal numbers?
The numbers that indicate the position are called ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth and so on are ordinal numbers. They are also written as FIRST first, SECOND second, THIRD third, FOURTH fourth, etc. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the appropriate image names into the blanks given. Additions. Now, we will learn about the addition of numbers. Addition is putting two or more things together. Addition of any numbers can be done with the help of the symbol plus. First, we use fingers to count. 1 finger plus 2 fingers equal to 3 fingers. 4 bananas plus 3 apples equal to 7 fruits. 2 birds plus 2 birds equal to 4 birds. 1 balloon plus 2 balloons equal to 3 balloons. 2 butterflies plus 4 butterflies equal to 6 butterflies. Let us do the following activity. Count the number of pictures and add them. Write the result of the addition of numbers in the respective blanks. Addition on number line. Let us learn about addition on number line. Count the number of steps in the forward direction as the bird goes. Add the red color steps to the green color steps and find the total number of steps of the bird. Addition facts. Now, we will learn about the facts of addition. In addition, when we count two different numbers in either direction, the sum is the same. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Addition with 0. Let us learn about the addition of 0. If you add 0 to any other number, then the sum is the number itself. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Word problems on addition. Now, we will learn about word problems on addition. 6 children are playing in the ground. One child has joined them. How many children are playing together? Pawan has 5 lollipops in his hand. His mother gave him 5 more. How many lollipops does Pawan have in all? Skip counting by 5. Now, let us learn about skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Skip counting by 10. Now, let us learn about skip counting by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Subtraction. Now, we will learn about the subtraction of numbers. Subtraction is the process of taking one number or amount away from another. Subtraction is denoted by minus. First we use fingers to count. Open 5 fingers, bigger number, minus, close 3 fingers, smaller number, equal to, open fingers are 2. 2 is the answer. 6 balls minus 4 balls equal to 2 balls. 5 apples minus 2 apples equal to 3 apples. Let us do the following activity. Count the number of pictures and subtract them. Write the answer in the respective blanks. Subtractions on number line. Now, we will learn about subtractions on number line. Count the number of steps in the forward direction and in the backward direction that a bird can go. Now, subtract the backward steps from the forward steps and write the answers in the blanks provided. Subtractions on cross, count and write. Keenly observe the images on the screen. You will know how to subtract numbers by crossing the images. Subtraction on 0. Let us learn about subtraction from 0. When you subtract 0 from any other number, the result of subtraction is the number itself. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Word problems on subtraction. Now, we will learn about word problems on subtraction. Raju has 3 strawberries. He gave 2 strawberries to his friend. How many strawberries does he have now? There are 7 birds flying in the sky. 3 birds are sitting on a tree. Then, how many birds are flying? Shapes around us. Now, let us learn about shapes around us. A square has 4 equal sides. A rectangle has 4 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. A circle is round in shape. A semicircle is half of a circle. An egg is oval in shape. Let us do the following activity. Drag and drop the respective options into their respective boxes. Click Submit to verify the answers. Dear children, let's learn about money. Money is used to make purchases. It is also used to pay people wages and salaries for their work. In our country, rupees and paise are the units of money. If we have more than 1 rupee, we call it as rupees. In order to understand this, we have to know about the coins and the currency notes of money. Hello children. In our country, we have money in the form of coins like 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Also, we have currency notes like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. Take up the following activity. Match the image from Group A with the text in Group B. Click Submit to verify the answers. Now, we will learn about time. Hi children, in the given clock, present time is 12 o'clock. Now, the time is 1 o'clock. Here 1 hour is past. Do you observe? In our daily life, time is necessary. We will see how Ravi does his daily activities. He gets up in the morning at 6 o'clock. He brushes his teeth and goes for a bath for 30 minutes. After that, he eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. He puts his things in his bag and goes to school in the morning at 9 o'clock. In the school, he reads the books and listens to the classes up to 12 o'clock. In the afternoon, he takes his lunch by 1 o'clock and after that he plays with his friends. He comes back home at 4 o'clock and plays with the ball till 6 o'clock. In the evening, he does his homework by 7 o'clock. After that, Ravi takes his dinner at 9 o'clock and goes to bed. Let us perform an activity to know what are the activities done in the morning, afternoon and evening. Drag and drop the appropriate answers in the given fields. Practice zone. Prepare a numbers chart from 1 to 100 numbers and from 100 to 200 numbers with attractive colors and paste it in your classroom.
You have successfully completed the subject
Mathematics Level 3.